Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Nail Art Enthusiasts. Today we have got something truly special in store for you, an elegant white and gold nail art tutorial that's perfect for any occasion. So let's dive right in and start creating this scrumdious nail design that will leave everyone in awe. Step 1. Prepare your nails. Make sure your nails are clean and dry. Trim and shape them to your desired length and apply a base coat for smooth canvas. Apply the white base. We are using a beautiful white polish as our base color. Apply 2 coats for that perfect opaque finish. Create gold essence. Now it's time to add some dazzle using a fine nail art brush or tape. Carefully create gold accents on your nails. You can go for stripes, triangles, or any design you fancy. Add some sparkle to take it up a notch. Let's add some gold glitter or rhinestones to really make those nails shine. Seal the look, apply a top coat to protect your masterpiece and give it that glossy finish. And there you have it, your stunning white and gold nail art is complete. This sophisticated design is perfect for wedding parties or just when you want to feel extra special. You see this design, how much beautiful, attractive this design and white color, very attractive this on these nails, and you see this design and you like it all design. Make sure whether you are a natal enthusiast or beginner, this tutorial is sure to inspire you. Watch now and shine with this exquisite combination of white and gold nail art. How much this design so beautiful, looks amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest nail art tutorials. If you recreate this design, be sure to tag us. We'd love to see your beautiful creation. Thanks for joining us today and we will see you in the next video. Keep shining and keep those nails fabulous.